Hey, good morning. Making me up some eggs and bacon this morning. Haven't cooked for a while on this thing, so figured I'd give it a try today. Try to save some money. But I got a pretty good project I'm gonna work on today after I eat breakfast. I got this TV mount that I bought a while back on Amazon. I'm gonna have to modify this thing here. This is the base, and you have to see what I do. All right, well, most of my morning has been pretty much spent already. Took me some time. I had to finish editing and everything from yesterday. I tried to do most of it last night, but I just was pretty tired. It was, I don't know, around 12 o'clock or so last night. Anyway, so I thought my grinder was in the trailer, but it's not. So now I'm heading back to, well, I guess it's not really home base anymore because my trailer's not parked there anymore, but heading over to my mom's house. I believe the grinder I left in the garage over there, so I'm gonna wrap up this project I'm doing with the TV because next month, beginning of next month, I'll be taking a road trip to the Outer Banks, and my kids will be with me. So I'm gonna have the TV set up here for them, and I'm gonna bring the PlayStation, and yeah, they can play some games and watch some movies on the way there. It's only a 3 and a half hour drive, I think, but yeah, that should keep them entertained, you know. And then we'll try to do some road games or something like that on the way down, like I Spy or something like that. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, so I'm gonna head over there now and get to work. Oh, and then also, damn, I was putting this thing down. Also, I think that this week I don't really have any jobs lined up, so I think next week I do, and it's a pretty big job. So yeah, so I figured I'm gonna try to work on the walls as well on the side, on the front end of the van, because I already took care of the back walls. So I think I have time. I also need to get power up there, so I gotta take those walls down on the driver's side anyway, so I can get a electrical outlet inside that little cubby up there. So I hope that goes well. I don't know what the framing and all that kind of shit, I don't know. So I'll have to take those walls down and find out. So wish me luck. Alright, so no special cool angles today. Today it's all about getting shit done. So I got this tool here that I'm going to try to cut this little this little piece off here, and it should be just fine. I can kind of see in that gap there there's a flat part, so all I gotta do is cut and cut here. Alright, so I got it down pretty flat, as flat as I could. I think that's gonna be just fine. So now I've got to find me the center and cut me a hole. So let's do that now. Don't look at the mess, guys. You hear me? Woo, that thing is on there. That thing is on there. I can't even spin it. Oh, there we go. I don't think I'm gonna need that second hole or second screw. I think I'll put it in anyway though. Man. Alright, now got to mount it back to the TV right here, and this side slides in like that. Bam! Huh? Right? I don't know why I waited so long to do that. Have you ever wanted to see in the wall of a Class B Chevy? Well, here you go. I know, right? What did you do? What did I do? Hey, it's just a part of the plan. And I got a good one. I need power up here. Up inside here for the TV and PlayStation. So, my original thought was come out of here, but check it out. I forgot about the outlet down here. So, pop this out, get me a new line, another wire inside there. Come up in her, go right through there. And then I think I'll use my that tool I was using earlier and cut me a recessed outlet right there. I'll just cut me a nice square, put my box in. Man, I don't know what to do with myself sometimes. All right, let me get finished with this thing, because then I gotta put some fabric on the boards here. So I gotta get this thing done. I got my hole in place for my outlet. I use this guy here again, put a wood cutting blade on it. And did you guys know that this thing just floats in here like that? What? I didn't know that. Look at it. Alright, well anyway, I'm getting there. I got the wire. I'm getting ready to run the wire now down there, and try to get this thing done in 2 or 3 days maybe, hopefully. We'll see. But I still got to take this wall down as well, all this here. So here's a real quick electrical tips for you guys. Since this is going to be a tight space and I'm using this kind of old work box, what I'm going to do is wire everything up first and even put the plug in, and then I'll set the box in place. A lot easier doing all this out here than trying to fool with it inside there. And then another quick tip, if you look at the outlet, the one with the longer slit is always the white wire. The smaller one is the black, and then the green one is the ground. Do you like it? Hit the thumbs up if you liked it. Alright, I have just been rocking. It's 4 o'clock. Thought it was earlier than that, but I've been getting a lot done today. Check it out. Got the wire down. I already got it tapped into the existing. So this wall is pretty much done, except for one thing. Since I have this wall down, hopefully I can do the same thing on this one. But while I have this down, see here where they tapped in for the light? I'm gonna tap in as well, somewhere. And I think I'm gonna come down. I'm gonna bring a wire out somewhere around here for a DC socket, or maybe two, a DC socket and a USB socket, right there. So if you're sitting in this seat, you can charge your phone or your iPad. Same thing on this side. If there's a wire, there should be wires in here. So maybe somewhere over here, I'll see if I can't put a socket there as well. Have you guys ever seen the inside of the walls of a Class B motorhome twice in one day? Now you have. So an update here. It's now, what time is it? It is now 5:30, and I'm starting to feel it. I'm getting tired. But I just got this wire put in place. I soldered it again, just like I did for the bumper out there. Especially here in the wall. I don't trust these little splice things, especially being inside the wall. If that ever goes bad, I'd have to sit there and take all this shit off again. And of course you can't just take this piece off, you gotta take all this off to get to that piece. So yeah, that's that's gonna be a lot better. That's not going anywhere. Just gotta tape the ground, and then I think I'm done for the day, man. I got everything out. So tomorrow I'll start gluing on the new fabric. But other than that, I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to end the video at that. Got a little bit more to do. Try to wrap up for the day, but yeah, I'm getting pretty tired. I guess real quick too, I decided not to run a wire down on this wall because I already have this guy, so I already have a 12 volt in here. So I'll just connect off of one of those lines, run it over, and then right underneath the out here is where I'll put the 12 volt stuff. So, all right, that's it. I'm gonna end it at that. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. I'm pretty proud of myself. I got a lot done today, and TV mount is pretty dope. I'm happy with that. I think I'm gonna change the hinges out tomorrow, maybe. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. See ya. Thumbs it up.